A lot of people have been asking me about project management. How do I keep track of everything that's happening? Well, I got a really great tool that you're going to love. We're going to get into it right now. So let's go get in the computer and make this happen. Okay, in the computer here, excited to show you what I do in the morning before I actually have my Remarkable 2 here, but I also have a pad, get into my Get It Done Now plan. As you know, we prioritize the 7 Ps are really critical, and getting that prioritization is important. But one of the questions I get is, what do we do with, how do I get all my projects kind of together so I can take a quick look? And just like the ILD spreadsheet that I teach financially, which has helped so many people around the world, this is another system that I use. It's called Miro, Miro.com, links down below. Basically, you can get 3 boards for free, and you can mind map and stuff on here, but I'm using this as a project kind of view board. Take a look at everything that's going on. So in order, what you do, you just create a new board. I'll show you kind of how to do this. Once you get a new board up, you can do a lot of different things. I'm not even going to do all that. I'm just looking for project management. So what I do very simply is I come in here and I grab a box, a shape, and I like to use just a square. So I create a square, okay? And now that I got my square, I can now put in my project. So let me put in here MorningCoach.com that we're working on that, right? So then I want to move that to the top, which is right there. I want to change the color inside the box. So I'm going to go ahead and go with let's go with the blue one here. And now I can put some of the things that I need to do. So let's just say organize new members, organize new members, and just a couple tasks. Now the problem I have with a lot of task systems out there is they start sending all kinds of stuff, and I don't want that. I want simple, effective systems. My time is the most valuable thing to me. And so by having this set up this way, I can just take a quick look and then get into my planner or my Remarkable 2 that I use, your iPad or whatever, and then put it within the framework of our system, and then take a picture of it, send it to our Morning Coach companion, and get all my feedback for the day. It's extremely powerful, and it's very simple. So then once I have one project there, I go ahead and click another, and then what I can do is I can change the color, and I have all my projects. So if we come into my Miro, right, and we come into Morning Coach projects, you're going to see that I have this nice board here that I can kind of see what's going on, what's happening. If I want to go ahead and write some quick notes, I put them in here. I can put a sticky note by here. And again, what's great about this, it's free. They've got apps. They've got iPad, all different types of apps that you can use. It's Miro.com. And I'm looking at just so I can take a quick look at what's going on for my day. Okay, what do we got to work? What's going on? What's the team working on? What's happening? Again, very simple overview. That's all I want here. And then I go ahead and set up my day and use my planner, listen to the Coach Cast in the morning, get the energy, set up my planner, and I'm totally functional very quickly and very easily. So Miro.com is what I want to introduce you today. Again, you have up to 3 boards. I'm going to delete this for free. And again, you can do a lot with this, but I'm trying to keep simple systems for you. Real simple, that you're able to get more done and free up your time and really have that lifestyle that you're looking for, whether you're using e-ink devices and putting our planner on there. It's bringing it all together, right? And keeping it simple, building your system around these philosophies. Obviously, my book, The Sacred Six, that we've had a lot of success with, really getting people organized. And this is a real simple thing. Go into Miro, create a new board. Okay, and I'll just go over it again real quick, just the steps. I don't want any of this personalized stuff. I just want to come over here and I want to make, you can even do different types of, if you want. Me, I like simple. So I like it just simple, square, but you could do that. And then just, as you have more projects, one of the things I love about Miro is it'll actually give you little lines so that, it's set up perfectly. Like, look, I'll show you here. As we put this together, it'll give you some lines to make sure, see that little line there, that everything is equal and even, so everything's good. And then maybe you want a little sticky note for a note in here that you're going to put. You can write it down. And again, this is free, up to 3 boards. And if you're using it for project management, it's not going to cost you anything. Again, we go onto my board and just take a look, and you can see I've got it all laid out. Takes me 2 minutes. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. I can put more things up here and really keep it simple for overall project management, just for scope and understand where I'm at with things. Okay? Awesome. As always, thanks for watching. Love that you're part of this community. We're about productivity, awesome energy, and making the world a better place as we all live better lives. Love to have you involved with us here at Morning Coach. Thanks for being a part of it. All right, go have a great day.